Today I will talk about how can you find contacts on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, you click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just click here on customers and leads. You will find here contact, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find your contact here, or here can you search for it in this list on your app. Then here can you add new contact here, just click on it. So then here add name, your first name and last name, then your primary email here, and here add phone number and here address. So then here additional info, then you click on save. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.